Hi, I'm Dr. Zwade Marshall, co-founder of Doc2Doc. I'm an anesthesiologist in Atlanta, and yes, I do remember match day like it was yesterday. If I think about it long enough, I can almost feel those butterflies that I felt in my stomach 10 years ago. There are just some things in our careers as doctors that stay with us for a lifetime. Some good, some bad. For instance, I'll never forget the first unexpected death of a patient in the OR. I'll never forget the feeling of knowing that I was finally getting good at starting IVs and can be confident in placing it into patients without being embarrassed by blowing it in front of them and their loved ones in pre-op. Match day felt like a moment that was so significant in my journey as a doctor. In many ways, it's analogous to draft night in sports. It's the first time that we know for certain that we have a job that pays, though not much. But it's a big difference between spending student loan money and receiving compensation for a day's work. More importantly for me, that pre-match, I spent my entire academic life at Emory in Atlanta. I went to Emory for college, medical school, business school, and I was a high school mathematics teacher in Atlanta for a little while in between there. My family all lived in Atlanta. My girlfriend, now wife, lived and worked in Atlanta as well. And so on match day, when I opened that envelope and I realized I was going to Boston, to Harvard, I felt an odd combination of feelings. It was part pride, a lot of excitement, but also a heavy dose of anxiety and fear. Fear of leaving a school in a city that I knew well. And looking back on that moment now, I can't help but feel grateful for having the experience to feel all that I did on that day. And knowing now exactly how rewarding that entire journey has been and continues to be. So, best of luck to all the students undergoing match, and I hope that the memory of match day is as good for you as it continues to be for me. Congrats, guys.